everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing really good today. And as we all know, Shein application जो कि हमारी girls का favorite application है, it being a Chinese application has been banned in India. और उस पे इतनी सारी styles थी, इतने सारे clothes and price range भी उसके काफ़ी अच्छे थे. But that's not a problem. So in this video I have come up with Shein alternatives in India से हम लोग same type के clothes देख सकते हैं और price difference भी आपको बहुत सारे दिखेंगे. I was looking for some clothes for myself और जब मुझे वो दिख गए same clothes, then I thought to make a video and show it to all of you. And I'm sorry that I did not make this video 2 months ago, but that's okay. If you're still looking for some options, then please keep watching this video. Also, अगर channel subscribe नहीं किया हो, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon ताकि आपको notifications मिल जाए whenever I'm uploading any new video. All right, now without wasting any more time, let's get to the video. So what we'll do exactly is I'll show you Shein वाला product on its website. Application तो खैर अभी है नहीं मेरे पास. So on its website I'll show the product or the top or skirt, whatever it is. We'll see its price and according to that we'll go to the other application or website and check the similar product and also compare its prices and see if that works. Alright, so the very first one is a website called Berry Lush. So Berry Lush is basically a website which has got a wide variety of women dresses and it has got a lot of things and a lot of variety, and also they have some offers and it's not much known. So basically I've got this maroon colored crop top on Berry Lush and we'll see that same on Shein first, and after that we'll check it out on Berry Lush and see if it's that good or not. So the second and very favorite of mine is Ajio. As we all know, they have got a wide variety of dresses, clothes and offers. Daily कुछ ना कुछ उनका offer चलते ही रहता है. If you keep the application, मैंने वो रखा है और उसके notifications भी on करके रखे हैं ताकि जो भी offers है वो तुरंत समझ में आता है. And if I have to get something, I go and get it from there. So on Shein there is this top called lace leg of mutton sleeve top. And on Ajio I've got a similar kind of top and it's lesser in price and its name is Slim Fit top with sheer sleeves. So it's black in color and got some puff kind of sleeves over there. Now we'll see if it's exactly similar or not and if that would work as an alternative to Shein or not. The third one is again from Ajio and there is this skirt, very pretty skirt which I loved, and on Shein this skirt is called as self-belted layered ruffle hem skirt, and on Ajio we have it as Mabish by Sonal Jain solid skirt. So this is a brand from Sonal Jain called Mabish and there is this solid skirt from them and it's so similar, just color का थोड़ा difference होगा दोनों में, but बाकी look wise it's completely same. So we'll see how is it. So the next application that I'll be talking about is Lulu and Sky. आपने शायद सुना होगा इसके बारे में. They have a wide variety of women's dresses and on Shein I like this crop top which is peach or pink in color and floral design है कुछ उस पे, and a similar one I saw it on this application which was named as Being on the Sunshine pink crop off shoulder top. So देखते हैं कि कैसा है ये and can it be used as an alternative to the top of Shein. Next application is Urbanic, which has got very cool and nice collection, which is quite similar to Shein, and a lot of variety you will see on that application too. उनकी भी website भी है और Play Store से आप application भी download कर सकते हैं. So on Shein, I found this skirt which is called Ditzy floral print ruffled trim mini skirt, and I found a very similar mini skirt on Urbanic application. So let's see if that works or not. So the next very common and everyone's favorite website is Myntra, and इसके बारे में तो बताना उतना important नहीं है because we already all of us know about Myntra and बहुत लोग उससे shopping already कर रहे हैं. So on Shein I found this brown colored mini skirt, and a similar one I found on Myntra too. So we'll check it out and see if that works as an alternative to Shein or not. So last but not the least is again Myntra. I really love polka dot dresses, and I found a beautiful polka dot red dress on Shein, and luckily I had an alternative of that on Myntra. So देखते हैं if that works or not, and if it looks similar to the Shein dress or not. Alright, so that's it. I hope these alternatives were useful for you, and you can buy clothes from these applications or websites. And अगर आपको ये informative लगता है, and if you want more such applications or more such information, then let me know in the comment section, and I'll come up with another more applications regarding alternatives of Shein in India. And not only of tops or dresses, we can also make it for jewelry or footwear or anything like that. Alright, so whatever you want, let me know in the comment section below, and soon we'll be coming up with a haul video. That's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my page on Instagram so that you can get many other updates, and I keep putting content over there too. So maybe you may like that also. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, lots of love.